set me free. I'm gonna swallow my pride. I'm gonna beg you, please, baby, please see me. I'm gonna walk by myself just to prove that my love is true. Oh, for you, baby, until you come back to me. That's what I'm gonna do. Living for you, my dear, it's like living in a world of a constant fear. Hear my plea, and to make you see that our love is a dying. Our love is dying. Oh, for you, no. Somehow I must explain. I'm gonna rap on the tap on your window pane. I'm gonna camp by your steps until I get through to you. I've gotta change your view, baby, until you come back to me. That's what I'm gonna do. Yeah, until you come back to me. That's what I'm gonna do. Ooh, until you come back to me. That's what I'm gonna do.
This dance is Street Soul, choreographed by Masters in Line. It's a 32 count, 4-wall line dance. Section 1 started with the right foot, walk forward, right, left, turn a quarter left, side cross, another quarter left, back, side cross, quarter left, stepping left forward, side rock, recurve, across. Section 2, we're going to triple, a full turn to the right, quarter, half, quarter, stepping left, right, left, and the last step is a long step to the left. Left, right, left, hold, back, cross, turn a quarter right, stepping forward, side rock, recurve, across, side heel. Section 3, ball cross, turn a quarter right, stepping back, side cross and cross, tap right to side, rock, right out, farther to the right, recover, behind, side cross. Last section, turn a quarter left, half left, touching right to side, quarter right, touching left to side, quarter left, step forward, pivot a half turn left, step forward, cross left over right, unwind a full turn to the right, keeping weight on left, now facing 9, and I start over. Now let me go over the dance for the counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, hold 3 and 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. And that's the whole dance.